เอ๊ะสวัสดีครับพลังสบายดีไหม
สบายดีไหมสบายดีมาก
มาก
Hello, Gigi.
เฮ้
Hi, Gigi. I'll be nice to you today.
thank you
Okay, so here we are. Hang on, we're one missing. Morning, Chris. All right, mate. Here we are, Michael, in his new boots and his new uniform. Whoa, look at him. And Gigi. Kundaro. Sawadee krap. What is it?
I think it's 10
The tent. Oh my God. I was only joking.
You bring me tent? You said you were bringing me tent. I didn't want to sleep alone.
Well, I was going to bring it, but then I thought we might be too intense. So, sorry. I know it's early. So this is where we're going, this way somewhere. And up yonder, we have no idea what beholds us.
I'll kind of go that way.
Huh?
Kind of go that way.
This way. Okay, so we have no idea what's in front of us, but this is the area that Daryl wants to come and explore. So we are the guinea pigs.
All exploring. Actually, it goes up that ridge.
Yeah, I thought it might.
Oh,
But the very steep one.
This is the easy
this is the easy way.
This is the easy
This is the
way
hard way.
Okay, so maybe now's a good time. Michael, could you come and stand near Daryl? There's something we need to explain. When you go with Daryl researching and exploring, you sometimes come to a T-junction. When you do, one is an easy way and one is a hard way. And you get the choice.
So when Daryl say left we go right
Exactly.
and when Daryl say let's go the easy way so
Yeah, something not right.
yeah This is the easy way and this is their way. I go the
up, and a little bit more up. You don't do this, you don't do this, you don't do this, only up. Gigi, what do you think?
Yeah, today we up.
Yes, up.
No have right, no have left,
No,
only up.
only up. Ah,
Up and maybe 4 U-turn.
yeah.
Yeah, we come back. Hello there.
Hello.
We go back. Beep beep for not come. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, my friend. And remember,
And praying for me.
we'll try. Beep beep not come.
Yes.
Slowly, slowly, Gary. Think where you put your leg. The problem is where to put your leg.
And now begin more slowly.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay, my friend.
Oh. I'm tired. I want to lay down 5 minutes. I said, okay, sleep, my friend.
Give,
Sleep.
give for her. Good.
When she sleeps, she okay again.
And you?
Yeah, fine, young,
Fine.
strong,
Start around.
strong.
Good. Get easy. Look. Go down. From there up. And the way is slippery.
one mother of a descent. Really, really treacherous. But it was the only way down.
See the problem here, Gary,
Yeah,
is this is rock face,
yeah,
but hitting this green stuff
yeah,
is like oil.
yeah,
So you gotta use the bike like ABS.
yeah.
Uh-oh. This is like bowling.
Take your time, Gigi. Wow, that was lucky. All of us got down and no one fell. Huh, Rob?
You're going too fast. I'm gonna put this stick in and it works, and that'll slow you down.
Yes. Hey guys, what do you think? Such a really difficult descent and no one fell over. That's it. Yeah.
So,
This is the this is called the green slide.
The green slide.
Green slide part of the tour. And next time we take it, we'll make sure it's going to be raining.
Yeah.
Then we can really get going.
Yeah. And put some oil on it just to make it even more fun.
the thing.
Take out the brakes.